My name is Adam Self, and Dr. Terry with Urology Associates helped me take my life back. I would work because I had to, and I would come home, and my wife would find me when she got home on the couch. So I went from this guy who was just this avid outdoorsman, who loved to fish, who loved to hunt, who loved to do woodwork, who was always working on a project, just over a course of a few years, a guy just sitting on a couch. I didn't really care about anything.
He came in, we had a conversation about what his life was like 10 years ago versus now, and he talked about energy being low. He talked about feeling weaker physically than he used to feel. He'd gained some weight. He felt like his libido, his sex drive was not quite what it used to be. And we just started with some basic blood work and then kind of took it from there.
My testosterone level was 40. That's extremely low. That's primary testicular failure. He wrote me some testosterone and he wrote for me some anastrozole, and that got my levels up. And he's been monitoring me continuously throughout this entire process, making sure that I'm safe.
So getting someone's testosterone levels and everything else balanced, but if you can get it just right, along with the lifestyle and along with things like sleep, nutrition, exercise, dealing with stress, all the basics, you can really kind of come up with a winning formula to improve quality of life. Testosterone therapy is not a magic bullet and it doesn't have its effect overnight. So this is a journey that we're on with people. And for Adam, within 6 to 8 weeks, he was noticing more energy, more drive, more confidence and strength and gusto he has for life, just getting things right.
Really, I was drowning in this very shallow pool of poor choices and fixable health problems. And I didn't know how to get out. And I really feel like Dr. Terry jumped in to that pool and he waded through it with me. What he really did was he took the most comprehensive lab panel, he just made sure we were following it step by step, and he just really made me feel a lot better about my entire situation.
At Urology Associates, we are very well equipped and trained to evaluate top to bottom men's health issues. We have resources here that we can guide our patients towards to educate themselves, to empower themselves, to really focus on the foundations of health. So when you talk about a turnkey solution for men's health, the Center of Excellence at Urology Associates is really, can't do better in the Southeast, in my opinion.
What I have now is intentionality in my day. I wake up every morning and I don't peel myself out of bed. I get up and I get ready for the day. I lift weights 3 times a week. When my wife comes home, she said, "You're never sitting on the couch anymore. You're always doing something when you come home." I've always got a project. I've got this beautiful property that I was just letting go to waste. And now I'm out here and I'm an example to my sons. So it's not about telling them they need to do something, it's about showing them what they need to do and leading by example. I gotta tell you, testosterone saved my life. And it saved my marriage, it saved my relationship with my children. It made me a dad, it made me a husband again. I took it back.